What happened to Kabir? Did they forget? He looked like Ali. Mm, let me see. I think they both of them are missing. One second. Let me also remind Kabir did not come and who else did not come? I'm clearly seeing Kabir and somebody else is missing it. Devansh. Oh my god. Devansh is missing. Okay, and then who else is missing? Somebody else I thought. Viraj is as well missing. We'd like to talk to Deepak's mom after the class. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Oh, that is hard to admit this kid. 1 second, guys. I'm a little off. Hold on. Ma, you have to remember anytime you join a class, right? You have to have your proper names. I cannot admit a student with a different name. That is really security risk for me. Okay. Okay, guys, let's move on. It looks like the homework was difficult for some of you that are new to equations, which is okay, which was expected. So let's go over that. I really wanted to be easy on you guys. Okay, how about this? Let's see. Okay, I'm going to ask someone to work it out on the board. It would be nice if you can work it out. Arhan, can you work it out on the board?
Me?
Yeah. Oh no, that is then Kabir. Then who is that? Guru Sukracharya?
Hey, who's that? My name is. Wait, what?
Kabir isn't here. Wait, guys, there is some problem with the. There is some problem clearly with somebody trying to join, and I am very afraid to accept that individual with the name Guru Sukracharya.
Already here, Miss Priya.
Yeah, you are already here. I pinged your dad whether it's you. Maybe it's Viraj. I don't know, guys. Okay, I cannot accept him anyway. They have named themselves as Guru Sukracharya in Hindi. So that's tricky, right, for me. So always have your proper names when you join a class. You see? Because I'm also afraid to let you come in. It appears like this for me. So that is difficult. You see? That's scary too, right? I don't want to admit. That's fine. Okay. Now let's move on. Okay, how do you want to solve, Arhan? How do you want to solve this one? First step.
Okay. So I know that wait one second, let me write it. Okay, so we know that -7 equals let me negative wait one second.
Tell me otherwise, what is the step you would?
-3.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and do on the board. Can I clear yours and do it on the board?
I'm okay doing myself.
Oh, okay, sorry. Then I'll go back. Go ahead.
So so that means what's it gonna erase something? So that means instead of this, then we could actually write it as as something but
Mhm.
why is my writing erasing?
I don't know. Is it erasing? I'm seeing your writing. Go ahead.
Oh, it's for some reason it's erasing.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it is erasing.
It is erasing, huh?
Yeah, I can't see it either. The moment he writes, it starts to fade away and then it completely goes.
Okay, 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 now so 12 over 3 over 3 is equal to 4. And so that means it's correct. And because -4 minus 3 is 7. Therefore, n equals 12.
Arihan, I want to go over this with you. See here, guys, if you're given this, good job, Arihan, but there is a problem there. See, it's like a pan balance. By 3 minus 3 is on this side. Now, I want to leave only the variables on this side, numbers on this side. Okay, that means what should I remove, Arihan? There is a -3. What should I do in the reverse?
Add 3.
Add 3. So go like that, then it's easy for me. Add 3. You add 3 to both sides. So what happens now? This becomes -7 plus 3 is a -4. This becomes n by 3. Make sense?
Yes.
One second, guys. Viraj.
Okay.
Viraj,
Yeah.
your name is not correct. You see, now you corrected. Okay, Viraj, unless you come with the correct name, I won't know, right, Viraj? Okay, that's all. Okay. Now, -4 will be equal to n divided by 3. So that is balancing already, but this number should not be there. Think about what this number is doing with the variable. It's divided by 3, right, Deepak? So you should perform the reverse operation. What is the reverse operation?
Multiplying.
Multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. -12 is balances n. So, Arihan, did you see n is equal to -12?
I got confused. I thought the -7 was a 7. I just
No problem. Okay. Now, the thing is, how do you check whether you are right?
Miss
Plug,
Priya,
Yama.
why did we do ×3 at that part?
We did times 3, right?
Yeah, but why did we do ×3?
Because times is the opposite of division and we need to get rid of that denominator to find n by itself.
Oh,
Make sense?
yes.
Okay, now let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and see how whether we got it right. Okay, in the exam, please check, guys. Plug in this -12 here. Plug in this -12 here. -12 by -3 is -4 -3 on the right side. It's a -7. Left side has -7. Are they balancing? Yes. So we are correct. You always plug in your answer instead of that variable and check. Am I making sense? Okay, now Viraj and Kabir, I did not see your homework, right?
Oh yeah, I haven't submitted yet.
Yeah, same.
Why, Amma? Was it too much?
No, it was I got it on paper, so I have to take the photos, but I do it with computer, so it's kind of hard to take the photo.
Okay, but you have done it, right?
Oh yeah. I showed all my work. I can show it to you right now.
No. See, Kabir, at the end of it, I believe you guys. You see, you're all very dedicated. That I know. Okay, but just that I want to confirm. And I will know. See, once you are able to do whatever review we are doing, I will be pretty sure that you have done it.
Miss Priya, for me, I
Uh,
didn't get too far in the homework for some reason. The homework was really challenging for me. I don't know
See,
why.
that's what, see, I did hear the same comment from a couple of them. Okay, one of them said it was too easy. So it just depends. Okay, some of you are not introduced to equations. Okay, so it becomes a little tough. But can I ask you this, Viraj? When did you start doing the homework?
I started on Monday.
Why don't you do it immediately during the weekend?
Oh, I do
Because
it
you
on
see
Saturday.
our brain, see, this is totally new to you guys. Friday night it was start means Saturday morning you should have sat. Okay, it does create a lot of difference. I have tried with my own daughter. Okay, if I leave her for 3 days and we sit to the homework, right? If suppose we sit to do the homework after 3 days, she remembers nothing.
Yeah,
The next day, if I make her sit, right, she's able to do. Because it's human brain, right? It tends to forget. And
yeah.
particularly, this concept is very new to you guys. Unless parents help after 3 days, it's very difficult. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm going to review that for you guys. So you find it all easier, but next time I won't do it. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. How about this? I want you guys to do and send the answer to me. Go ahead, guys. I know Tanishka looks like you got a good hang of it from mom, right? Mom would have helped you, correct?
Yeah.
Good job. See, there's nothing wrong in not being able to do. Okay, I expected that. Unless, because it's entirely new to some of you, and if you don't do it the very next day, it's gone. Unless parents help you. So, A equal to 20 minus 1. Huh? Oh, 20. Correct. Viraj, can you do it on the board? Viraj or Arihan, I want you to do it on the board. Both of you can do it on the board. Yana, good job. Deepa, good job. Devansh, good job. Arihan or who did I call, guys? Arihan or Viraj, can you do it on the board?
Can I do it?
Yeah, Viraj, go ahead. What did you want?
So basically, what I did.
Yeah, 1 minute, Amma. 1 minute. Let me keep the space. I really want you both to do. Can you do it like this? Arihan, can you do it here?
So
No. Where did you get the 22 from? Viraj, no. You are not going to plug in values. Then we are never going to know equations. I told you how to balance in a pan balance, right? Think about it like that. You're going to retain variables on this side, numbers on this side, remove the other numbers. I don't want you to go plug in 22 here. That's never going to work.
Wait, Miss.
Arihan, you're not going to plug in. You're going to go step by step as we discussed.
okay, I'll do the pan balance.
Okay. Lemma, see, that is going to help you. Arihan, I know how difficult it is, okay? You have a lot of time, one full year. You see what I mean? So try to learn this way, okay? You're only in the end of grade 4, right? So you have a lot of time, literally. Try to understand it this way. Meaning you don't need to draw the pan balance. What I am saying is, think about it like this. Now I'm going to remove the numbers from this side. There is a -1. So I add a 1 to both sides. This becomes -20 equal to -a. This is a 0 pair. So this is what I'm saying. Think of it as a pan balance and start taking out the numbers from one side, storing the variables on the other side.
Wait, so
However you
Miss
do
Priya,
it, let me see.
uh,
Yeah.
aren't you supposed to like cross -1 on each thing, and this will turn into -20?
No, no,
Correct.
no.
That's what I did. Good.
No, for
Wait. Viraj, that will not work because there is a -1 here. With the
Okay.
variable, see what operation. You have subtracted 1, so you add 1. You have to do the reverse,
Oh,
Viraj.
okay.
So you have to add 1 here. That's why you do it this way. Add 1 to both sides. Write it down. Meaning -21 equal to -a minus 1. Add 1 to both sides. This will be nullified. Only this variable will be retained. Now, the variable has a negative sign. So multiply by -1 to make it positive. So like that. Did you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what was A? A was?
it
A was?
was
Yep, 20. Yana, did you notice the sign, Yana? Did you notice the sign? Deepak and Yana, did you notice the sign? Devansh, is it 20 or -20?
Negative
No, right?
20.
Not -20, I'm saying.
It's 20.
It's 20.
But I didn't know you had to make it positive.
You should always make variables positive. You cannot just like that have negative, right? I'm asking what is A. You got it? Now let's
Uh,
go ahead. Let's go ahead and try this one. Okay, this is distributive property. Whenever you have like this, so this week is second week of equation. So I can be a little strict, meaning 4 times k plus 1. This means this k plus 1 is one entity and you're going to supply the ice cream to the members of a family. Whatever is inside the parenthesis is a family. 4 times k plus 1 is 4k plus 4. Am I making sense?
yeah.
Now -2 times 5 plus k is what? Yeah, Kabir, go ahead.
Okay. It's -10 plus negative 2k.
Yeah, it should be like this. The negative also gets carried inside. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Now let me go ahead and ask you to do this one. Let's see. How about this? I really want you guys to try this one, meaning each of you to try this one. You cannot say that you don't understand. Try. Go ahead. I will wait, guys. I will, meaning if you get it wrong, I'm going to let you explain as well. Arihan, first multiply the 2, bring the ice cream inside the family. What would happen when you bring that 2 inside the family? 2 times 8 is 16. 16b, and then you bring the 2 in for the 4. 16b plus 8. After that, Remove numbers from one side, remove variables. Remove numbers from one side, remove variables from one side.
Is it possible?
Tanishka, Viraj, Kabir, correct. Yeah, ma. Go ahead.
Never mind. I actually. Sorry.
Miss Priya, can I explain this one?
Absolutely. Go ahead.
Wait, right now?
Yeah?
Okay. So wait, can you draw it for me? I'm very bad at drawing on this. Yes. So
I can draw the board. Yes. Go ahead.
what we'd want to do first was we'd want to remove the parentheses and make it simpler. So we do 18 plus 6b equals 16b plus 8. Wait, where did you get 18b from?
I'm sorry.
Oh,
16.
yeah, 6.
Go
Then
ahead.
then what we'd want to do is we'd want to get rid of these two minus 8 and minus 8 on both sides. So then we get 10 plus 6b equals 16b. Then what we want to do is get rid of 6b because like the 10 is either going to move to either side, so we can't really get rid of it now. So basically 10 equals 10b, which then 10 divided by 10 is 1, so b equals 1.
Arihan, did you understand Arihan?
I didn't finish solving.
No, but did
I
you
get it
understand
now.
how to solve?
I understand.
Can I go ahead and give you another problem, all of you? Arihan, this time I want you to solve, okay? This
Okay.
time I want you to solve. Slowly solve. I'll help you step by step, okay? Everybody got it right, okay? I'm always looking at the chat, guys, so you can keep moving, okay? Go ahead. See, I will give you clues. The first step is to distribute 8 into the family, okay? And after you distribute, combine the numbers, combine the case on each side. If you have two numbers on one side, you have to combine that. You cannot let shoes and socks to be strewn in the room, right? Mom and dad will shout at you. So put all the socks together, all the shoes together. Put all the case together, put all the numbers together. Rehan, shall I write it for you?
I'm good.
If I write, it will be easier, I am thinking.
I'm okay.
Okay. Where correct. I'll wait, guys. I can also explain to you slowly. You redo, plug in back and check as well. We are going to be thorough with this. Arihan, if you are comfortable doing it on your paper, I'm fine with it. Kabir, it clearly tells me that you did your homework.
Oh, yes, thank you.
Should I subtract the 3K, or should I just leave it like that?
I'm not sure where are you getting the 3K. Can I write it down by myself? Would you mind?
Wait a minute.
I'm really not getting what you have written, Arihan. That's why
Wait,
I'm asking.
I thought that was 1K plus 2K.
No, right? This is 8 times 2K.
16K plus.
Yep, this is what you get. Kanishka, Kabir, you got it. Kanishka, are you getting help or are you doing it by yourself now?
I did it by myself.
I don't get it.
You don't get it. Can I do it on the board, Arihan?
Okay.
I also don't get it.
Okay, you also don't get it.
Me neither.
Okay. So basically, guys, here minus 35 plus 7K. You don't need to do anything there. First, you need to distribute. What is distribution? 8 times 1 is 8. Kanishka, I asked you a question. Are you doing it by yourself or mom is helping?
I'm doing it by myself.
Okay, ma'am. So 8 you have to multiply it inside Deepak and Arihan. And then 8 times 2K is 16K minus 7. Now I'm going to move on. What do I do? See, it's like socks. Numbers are like socks split around the room. I don't want that. I want to combine them both. So 8 minus 7 is 1 plus 16K will be equal to minus 35 plus 7K. Now, as I said, right, I want to have variables on one side. Any side you can have. Let me say variable on this side, number on this side. Then what does it mean? I want only variable. So don't touch this. I don't want the 1. So what do? There is no sign in
Subtract
front of the
1.
plus. Huh?
Subtract 1 from each
Correct.
side.
Correct. What will happen, Arihan, here?
That means it becomes negative 34.
36. Negative 35, negative 1 is negative 36. When the signs are the same, you add that and put the sign of the bigger number. Plus 7K will be equal to 16K. Now, as I said, right, I should have only numbers on this side. This is extra. So there is an addition of 7K. What is the reverse? I subtract 7K on both sides. 9K equal to minus 36. Divide by 9 on both sides. K will be equal to a minus 4. Any questions? Viraj? Any questions?
I feel like this was on the homework.
Yeah, it was on the homework, but the thing is, some of you have struggled in the homework clearly. That's why I'm redoing. Can I move on? Okay, I really want at least one correct answer from all of you before I move on, because doing it is very important for 6th grade CB. How about this? Can you all do this and tell me the answer quick? Waiting, guys. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead.
Is my answer correct, Miss?
Hmm. That's a difficult question. Wait. I don't see both of yours correct. Yes, Arihan, go and come back. Tanishka, Devansh. I don't think so, guys. Can you check? You can plug it back and check. Devansh, you can plug that back in and see. See, substitute minus 15. If you substitute minus 15, is it working? Check. Let's see. Only the left side we'll check. Minus 30 minus, what is this? 60, 120. This will be minus 150 on the left side, right? Are you getting the same thing on the right side? If you substitute minus 15 minus 8, it is minus 23 times 2 is minus 46. They both are not equal. So your answer is incorrect, right?
Wait, Miss. Oh, I didn't submit mine yet. Oh, I'm about to. Right.
Tanishka, can I check your answer? Seema, you have given me 11, right? Let's check 11. Minus 30 plus 4 times 11, right? Left side. 44 minus 30 is 14. Right side, 11 minus 8 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. They're not equal. Do you see, Tanishka?
Yeah.
Tells you that it's incorrect. Kabir, that's right. Where are we stuck? Mm-hmm. Deepak, I didn't get anything from you. Viraj, I didn't get anything from you.
Oh wait, I'm still solving it. I almost got it. Um,
Wait, Miss Priya, can I explain this one?
Absolutely. Give
Yes.
a minute, okay? Let them finish and
Yes.
then you can definitely. Devansh, are you done?
I think I need a little bit of help.
No problem at all. It's a little tricky. You won't get, see, this distribution may not come in the 6th grade exam. Distribution touches on the 7th grade. But you know what? Your 6th grade exam does involve 7th grade standards. So you can't be sure, but they won't incorporate or add distribution problems in equations. Tanishka, that is right. Kabir, that's right. Where was the mistake, Matanishka?
I forgot to multiply 2 by minus 8.
See, that's a common mistake everybody does. Starters, right? Yeah, because see, this one is very easy, but this one as well should get it. Otherwise, you're being unfair to the members of the family. Remember like that. So now this becomes 2x. Arihan, are you back? Okay, he's not back. 2x minus 16. On the right side, left side is minus 30 plus 4x. Now what happens? Let me decide that I will maintain variables on this side, numbers on this side. Okay, so what is extra? This 2x is extra because that should have only numbers. So subtract the 2x, subtract the 2x. What happens? Minus 30, this becomes plus 2x.
Hey, Miss
Will
Priya, I thought
yes.
that, wait, does it, like, does it depend on where we put, like, are we supposed to put the variables on the left side always?
It can be anything, Devansh. Let me do the other way and show you. Good question,
Priyanti,
though.
I figured out the next step.
What is it? Can you tell me?
To add 14 to both sides.
To add 14?
I mean 16.
16, correct. Because it's a negative 16, you add 16 to both sides. Devansh, I'll work it out. Wait. So now it will be minus 14 plus 2x will be equal to 0. But I want numbers on that side. What should I do?
Minus
Everything is
2x on both sides.
That means it isn't, it is, so that means x is 0? Wait.
It's
X is
negative
7.
20. Yeah, he's right.
plus 14 on, sorry, Kabir, you are going to explain. I will let you explain, but I want you to explain this one. Devansh was asking, can I maintain numbers on this side, variables on this side? Can you explain that? I will finish this.
So
This will become a 0 pair. 2x will be equal to 14. X will be equal to 7. Now go ahead, do it this way. Meaning I maintain variable on this side, numbers on this side, right? Can you do the other way, Kabir?
yes. So what you want to do is first, I would just like to do it with whole numbers. So I would want to focus on them. So you do plus 16 on both sides. Then you get negative 14 plus 4x equals 2x. Then what you want to do is minus 2x. And you get negative 30 plus 2x equals 0, and then you do minus 2x on both sides, so then you get negative 30, or not sorry, not negative 30, negative 14, what do you got, negative 13 equals minus what?
I think I missed you. What was the first step you said?
Yeah, plus 16 on both sides,
Yeah. Then what happened?
and you get negative 14 equals
Plus
plus
4x.
4x
Hmm.
equals 2x.
Hmm.
And then what you want to do is minus 2x on both sides.
But wait, I want this 4x to move away.
Oh, yeah, oh, okay. No, what I was gonna say was you could do minus 4x and then you could get negative 2x on this side.
Yeah.
Or another thing is you could do minus 2x and minus 2x and then transfer 4x to the other side, getting negative 14 equals negative 2x.
Yeah, that is fine. Yeah, but let's, for starters, let's say numbers on one side, variables on one side. So nobody's
Yes.
confused. Go
Yes,
ahead.
and
Hmm.
you do minus 4x on both sides, and then you get negative 14 equals negative 2x, and then simply just you can do the math and get 7 equals x.
Now, yeah, now what do we do? Divide by minus 2 on both sides. So that will be 1x will be equal to 7. Devansh, did you see 7 equal to x? You will get here x equal to 7, you'll get.
Miss Priya, I got this as my first answer, but then for some reason I think I messed something up checking if I was correct. And then I
Okay,
got
we'll check
confused.
whether it is correct. How do you check? Instead of x, you put the 7 and c.
Okay, you
Now
substitute
left side, right side separately. Minus 30 plus 28 is minus 2. This side, right side, I'm going to plug in 7, right? 7 minus 8 is minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. See, both are equal. Arihan, did you get it?
Yes.
Yana, did you understand? Okay, I think we are spending a lot of time on this. Let me see. Put this. Oh, there was one question, all real numbers. Guys. Okay. Let's see this one, guys.
Oh yeah, that one was just like a trick question, the all real number ones.
I know, right? But I didn't mean to give you that hard, though, honestly. Yeah, let's see this one. Okay, Arihan, looks like you got a hang of it. Is that so, Arihan?
I'm starting to get the hang of it.
No, you got it, I'm saying.
Nice.
Which is good, right? That's what I meant to say.
Can I show it on the board?
You can definitely show it on the board, but would you mind holding a little bit?
Okay.
Yeah. Viraj, good job. Devansh, Devansh, that's not correct. Devansh, check Devansh. Plus and minus, you just need to be careful. I know you, Devansh. You understood, but plus and minus, you're messing up. Subtract or add, you need to check and do. Can you redo and send? You're almost there, the entire class, which is good. Tanishka, did you send? No, not yet.
I'm working on it.
Yeah. Take your time. I didn't mean to pressurize you. But I'm glad. See, you working out yourself helps me a lot.
Wait, can I shout out the answer at the end? Or should I just type it in?
Send them. There are people who are still working. Not really, Devansh. You want to work it out on the board, I'm fine. Go ahead. Let me see.
Okay.
By the time everybody sends the answer, we'll iron out your mistake. Go ahead. I want to see how you do. Somebody wanted to explain, right? Who wanted to explain? Kabira. Okay. Sure.
Actually, Arihan wanted to explain.
Oh, Arihan wanted to, sure.
Should I
1 minute, Arihan. 1 minute. Okay.
Okay.
Or you can all, meaning whoever is completed, can all help me with finding where is the mistake. Devansh is working out. Let's all help him. Tanishka, good job. Devansh, go ahead and work it out. We are all helping you. I think this is enough, guys. If you're able to distribute to this level, it's more than enough.
Could you like make the pan balance for me? Because I'm on the iPad and I can't really draw with this.
Okay, tell me what is the next step.
So we make the pan balance, we label variable and number, and we have to do 8 times 1 and 8 times 5m. So it's 8 plus 40m. And then if you wanna have get rid of 8m on the 40 plus 8m side, and so minus 8m on each of them. So you get 8 plus 2m equal to 40. So then you have to get, I got rid of 2m, and then I had 8,
Devansh,
yeah.
where did you get 2m from? It should be 32m.
I got 2. Oh wait, yeah. In my mistake, I accidentally did 8 plus 10m.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So you should have done 8 plus
That.
32m.
Good job. Good find. See, finding the errors also makes us better. Okay, go ahead, Devansh. No, correct it.
So it's 8 plus 32m equals 40, and I think that we want to get rid of the numbers, and so we do minus 8 on each side. So we get 32m equals to 32, so m equals 1.
See? Okay, Arihan, no, go ahead, Arihan. Explain in your way. So everybody hears 2 times. It's nice for everybody, even if they've done it. Go ahead, Arihan.
Okay. Okay. So here's the pan balance that I did. I wrote out the equation basically here. 1 plus 5m.
Yeah. Arihan, I really appreciate you following the pan balance, but at some point, let's get out of it and then do it as equations. Go ahead. Go ahead.
And then it's just 40 plus 8m.
Hmm.
And then I realized you can divide each side by, wait,
Correct, correct. That is a good way.
Eight.
See, he's bringing up a different perception.
So-
Very nice. Go ahead.
So this 8m becomes just m, and in this is just 1.
Wow, very nice. See, he's bringing up a different perception. See, this is why we need to discuss equations. He's saying you can divide the entire thing by 8. That's a good one, actually. Because this will be 1 plus 5m. When you divide by 8, 40 divided by 8 is 5. Plus 8 divided by 8 is 1m. Good job. What is the next step? It's altogether a different perception. See, then what is the next step?
Okay, so then I write down the equation 1 plus 5m. Oopsie. And then we have oops, it equals 40 plus m.
Wait. 1 plus 5m equal to 40 plus m by 4. And wait, Arihan. That division, when you divide by 8, it's a whole division by 8. So, if 8 is common to both, you have to divide by 8 the 40, then you have to divide 8m by 8.
So
Did you get it, Arihan? So, this will be 1 plus 5m will be equal to not 40. This is 5 plus 1m. You got it?
And then that means m is 1.
Good job. So,
Miss Priya,
no, don't be in a hurry. Wait, let's please do this. Now subtract 1m on both sides. 4m. 1 plus 4m equal to 5. Subtract this one. 4m equal to 4. M is equal to 1. Okay. I think that is enough, guys. Okay, we have done enough. Very honestly. Okay. So let's move on. I'm so slow. I feel bad too today, but that's okay. As long as you got it, I'm happy. One second, guys. Today I want to do some equations. Let's see. Equations, application problems. Okay. Not this one. Give me a minute. Beast. Okay, where are we? Yeah. See, I didn't work through this with you guys. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and try these out, guys. This is what is far more important. Now that you're all good with equations, you can all tackle any equations that's coming is my honest thought. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to give you a problem. You're going to give me the equation. Okay, you're going to give me the equation. Okay, clearly they will give you what are the letters you need to use. The letters are G, the number of gigabytes that Sophie has on her phone. G you need to use. Okay. Read the context. Yana, are you getting whatever we are doing? Yana, are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. I really would like each of you to try this one. Can I help?
I think I got
I
it.
might have got it, but couldn't we just do 16 minus 3.5 equals
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
3? Because that's the remaining amount.
Okay, let's try. Let's try. How are we going to find? So, oh my God, what did I do? Okay, here it is. Sophia is taking a family vacation and wants to download some movies on her smartphone. Her phone has a storage capacity of 6 gigabytes. Okay, so this is in gigabytes. I will write it down like this so that I don't make mistakes. Last week, she used of this. Again, that should also be in gigabytes. Gigabytes can be subtracted from gigabytes only. See, every term I will make sure that I'm writing gigabytes only. Now, which equation can be used to find the number of gigabytes remaining? So that will be equal to the remaining G. So my equation becomes G is also gigabytes. See, G will be equal to 16 minus 3.5. Any questions? Easy, Viraj, Deepak?
Yeah.
Okay. No, now you know, I'm going to give it to you. You're going to come up with a, let's see this one. Come up with an equation. Think about what M is the number of miles. M is the number of miles. So you have to find the equation for M. Whatever you write should be number of miles.
Wait, Miss Priya,
Yeah.
shouldn't we use alternating variables? Because talking about miles and gas and gallons. So shouldn't we do like 26 miles
Okay,
times
let's go
12
ahead and
gallons?
try. Yes, Kabir. I'm here to listen to you. Go ahead. What did you want to say?
So I was gonna say, shouldn't we use alternating variables like 26 miles times 12 gallons of gas
26 miles. Then
times 12 gallons
let me write the units down. Okay.
equals miles total she can travel. But I thought you said we had to use all the same like variable.
Yeah, but miles times gallons equal to miles. Is
Yeah,
it
because
making sense?
26 miles per gallon, but how many gallons does she have? 12 gallons. So using that, after we see 26 miles per gallon and 12 gallons, then we can see
Okay.
how many
Good.
total miles she can travel.
Good job. Okay. Okay. So what did you do? Then I need that as well. 26 miles per 1 gallon. Correct?
Yeah.
If that is in there, then you multiply 26 miles by 1 gallon, as you say, I'm writing, times 12 gallon. Does it make miles? Yes, it does make miles. 26 miles times 12. Gallon and gallon get cancelled. So the answer is in miles. Correct. Good job. So how should the equation be?
And so the equations would be wait, didn't we just write the equation up there?
Yeah, what is it?
26 miles times
Correct, Ma. What is the final equation? M will be equal to what?
M is equal to 26 times 12
12.
gallons.
Okay. But here, several of them might not have understood. Let me go back. Shannon's motorcycle gets 26 miles per gallon. Let me write down. Remember the two quantities that we are talking about, mile and gallon. So let me write that down in our old way when we solved proportions, right? 26 miles is 1 gallon. Now, I need to find the number of miles for 12 gallons of gas. Do you remember this? This we already did it earlier. How will you find out M? We will create a ratio. Remember, 26 by M will be equal to 1 by 12. Right? From 12, you have to come to M. What did you do? You have to find out M. How? See the top. 1 times 26. So you need to do the same thing with 12 here. So M, how do you find out M? 12 times 26. Make sense?
Honestly, Miss Priya, so for me, variables just look so confusing, but they're just solving the problem. So like,
Exactly. Because your starters variables seem confusing, but they're not. They're going to be helpers.
yeah.
Variables are basically ways of saying something you don't know in a problem.
That's all. Very fine way of putting it is whatever you just don't know, assign it a name. Instead of calling it by names, you just call by letters. Make sense? Deepak, are you following? The problem is you just don't ask anything here and then you come back and say, homework was difficult.
No,
I don't know how to do. I
I
saw
get
the
it.
video. That does not make any sense to me.
No,
If
I
you
get it. I get it.
huh?
I get how to do the thing.
Okay, that's nice. Now I'm going to bring up a number line. Okay, the thing is, more than solving, right? Plotting on the number line is so important for the exam. Okay, how are you going to plot it on the number line? Let's see. How are you going to plot it on the number line? I will bring up, now you can watch and I will tell you the difference. First one, you can find it out by yourself because it's so clear. But I will intervene and show you some differences. Let's see. First, you find out the answer for this one. This one is easy. Go ahead. Try, guys, I'll help you. I want you to come up with the answer on this one. And I want to go over some. Can I help, guys? Can I help? Anybody? Arihan, can I help? Yana, can I help?
I
Deepak,
solved it.
Mr. Juarez.
But Miss Priya is mine, right?
Mm, Oh, wow. Did all of you answer so soon? Yes, everybody answered. Viraj, why did you select that, Viraj? It's like solving the equation, right? Solving for P, right?
I didn't read it properly, sorry.
Hmm?
I didn't read it properly.
Yeah, Tanishka correct, Deepa correct, Yana correct, Kabir correct, Arihan correct, Devansh correct. Okay, okay, guys, you all got it. I know that you will solve this one. Okay, here, if you're given this number line, the first one, each is a problem now here. Each one is a problem. Can you write the equation for this one? The equation is some unknown variable. You can name any variable, whatever you like. N is equal to 4. You see, here I will say, or n, this time I'll take A. A will be equal to -4. See the shading? They have shaded it, right? That means that number is what the variable is. B equal to 11. This one is C equal to -11. Make sense, guys?
Yes.
But the problem is sometimes they'll put it like this. What is that?
It's
Wait. I will highlight this and say this is X. What does that mean? Meaning they're not shading that. That means X is not equal to 4. You got it? This is called a hole. If the number has a hole, that means it's not equal to that number. Make sense? But it can be any other number. That's why the highlight is here. Now let's say at least equation plotting in a number line is very easy. Okay. But when it comes to inequalities, it's a lot of trouble. Okay, we'll see. Okay, how about this? Suppose if I give you 2 by 3 x equal to 8. What is the value of x, guys? Send it to me in chat quick. What is the value of x? What is the value of x?
My answer.
Good job, guys. Yana, please check, amma. What is x? I asked. Kabir correct. Devan Sharihan correct. Tanishka, what is the answer, ma? Yeah, Yana, you corrected. Good job. Tanishka correct. Deepak, where is your answer? Viraj?
Yeah, I'm still solving.
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to give you 1 or 2 more minutes. Let's see. I can really help you. Viraj, do you need help?
Wait, Miss Priya, can I explain this one?
Yeah,
Yes.
go ahead.
Okay, so what I would do first is we want to get rid of the denominator. So I do times 3 on both sides. So then I get 2x equals to 24. And then after that,
1
24
minute,
equals,
mom. I'm writing for you. Mm-hmm.
then 2x equal to 24. Then 24 divided by 2 equals 12. So x equals 12.
Good job. Let's see 1 or 2 more. This one is good. Okay, the other variety of the problem, the other flavor, okay. I'll give you the equation. You frame up the context. You can write out the problem for me when I give you an equation. Can we try that?
Yes.
I agree. Okay, one equation I'll give you. That is an easy one. Okay. I will give one of you. Whoever wants, you can tell me one situation. But this is easy. The next one is hard.
Can I do it this one?
Go ahead, Arhan.
Should I write it?
Why don't you shout out? We are just interacting. I've given you an equation.
Okay, so I should not write it. Never
you're not
mind.
going to
Never
you're
mind.
going
I'll
to-
write. I'll
yeah,
write
just
it.
Illima. See, Arihan, you're just going to come up with a situation that satisfies this equation.
Okay, so okay. A baker has ha
Okay, Arihan, let me write it down for you so that it will be clearer. Okay, you can shout out. Tell
Okay.
me, a baker. I'll help you. I'm saying, go ahead.
A baker has has a total of 180 pastries.
Mm-hmm.
He 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 has 45 left. How many pastries has he sold?
Nice. Did he sell? But can I reword it a little bit? It says has a total. Can I make it as made a total of 180 pastries?
Okay.
That's all. Very good job. Very good job. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Okay. Now,
Wait, can I do this one?
yeah, absolutely. I want all of you to do this one. Kabir, go ahead and explain. How about this? Let's first try to get this right. I told you this is a little tricky. First one was easy just because I want to push it to you, make you understand. But this one is a little hard and is more into percentages. You have to think deeply. 4 problems are given to you. 4 will have 4 different equations. I'm going to sit and watch, but I will explain at the end. Go ahead.
Honestly, I think mine is like a bit of a. I did a bit of process of elimination on this one. I said, Miss Priya, can I explain this one?
I have 2 different answers coming. I would like to see which is correct. 2 different answers are coming out, but that's okay, right? That's what we are about. Deepak, Devansh, Yana, that's correct. Arihan, we are going to end in a few minutes. Arihan, that seems incorrect. Kabir, what is your answer? Viraj, that seems incorrect.
Oh wait,
Go-
sorry, I forgot to submit it.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Arihan, the Kabir.
Yeah, so I
Tanisha
was
and
gonna
Viraj,
say
no. Kabir, what is the answer, Kabir?
no. I said I forgot to submit it. I'm about to submit it right now.
Yeah, send it. Kabir, that's right. You wanted to explain, you said.
So I
Let's
was gonna
explain
say
and finish with that. Go ahead.
so this one, like, if you even don't know it, here's what I would recommend to do. Like, if it's like really confusing to you and you don't know what to do, you might want to do process of elimination. So you can start off like, so what I did was J. If you like look at it at a soccer game, about 25% of the people in attendance were cheering for the away team. What is the number of X? But X was not like X was not representing the amount of people cheering for the away team because if say we were doing that, then we'd have to do 137.5 times 0.25 equals X. So J is wrong. And then you can do H, which is a 25% off sale on a purchase 100 or more, 100 or more.
Mm-hmm.
And Melanie saved 137.50 on her purchase. What is the amount of money spent X before the discount of 25? So this one was like just do maybe for now, and then you could do G after it, and then G was just wrong itself because the Oasis computer company was having a 25% off sale, and Noel spent 137.50 before the discount. So what is the amount of money spent after discount of 25? No, because if you were gonna write it that way, then
Yeah.
you'd have to write you do the same approach. You do a hundred and 37. Yeah, you did it right. You would do 75 by 100,
Can
and
I
then
intervene here, Kabir?
yeah.
Sorry. Here, if it is 25% off sale means this is before the discount means he was able to get that item for 75% because 25% of that 100% is 75. So 0.75 times 137.5 would be X. That is the equation for number 2. Go ahead, Kabir.
Yeah, so then H and F are the only ones remaining. So if you do F, 137.50 before the tip, what is the amount paid after adding a 25% tip? Then what you do is 137.50. You could do parentheses between 0.25 and times 137.5, and then that's not our equation. So H is the only right answer.
Good job. The last J was what was the equation, ma? That alone we'll discuss. At a soccer game, about 25% of the people in attendance were cheering. What is the number of people cheering for the away team? 25%, 0.25 of the total people. We don't have anything. We have that 137.5. It's not even used, so it is incorrect. H is, see, 25% off sale was given. Okay. She saved this much means that is only 25%. 137.5 was 0.25 of the total money. You get it? So that was exactly this equation. So H is the answer. Okay, I'll stop here, guys. Try what you can in the homework and we'll continue next week. We are definitely slowing down, but that's okay. Whatever we can, we'll do. Okay, I'll stop here though. Yep. Any questions?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma'am.
can I do